Evangelical Alliance has the floor.
Thank you, Mr. President. The World Evangelical Alliance welcomes the report of the Special Rapporteur on the rights to freedom of peaceful assembly and association. Across the world, we have witnessed governments depriving religious, ethnic, and other minority groups from access to financial resources, undermining their right to freedom of association. In India, the government has used the Foreign Contribution Regulation Act, FCRA, to limit access to funding of NGOs advocating for the rights of religious minorities as a reprisal measure. In Algeria, Fadil Bahloul, a Christian, was sentenced last year to 6 months imprisonment for, I quote, collecting donations and accepting gifts without a license from the authorities, and illegally accepting donations for proselytism. In India and Algeria, the restrictions on access to funding cannot be deemed necessary in democratic societies. Therefore, we echo the call of the Special Rapporteur for states to ensure that associations, registered and unregistered, can fully enjoy their right to seek, receive, and use funding. And we call on the governments of India and of Algeria to repeal laws that put stringent requirements and restrictions on access to funding and require additional burdensome and overly intrusive reporting. And we ask the Special Rapporteur if his research identified how restrictions on foreign funding particularly affect vulnerable minority groups. Thank you.